Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, from today we are starting a new series which is called Best Website Series for learning new skills. So in this I will tell you the best website for learning a programming skill or any other particular skill. So this is the first video of our this series. So in this video, I will teach you about 5 best websites to learn web development. So as you know, web development is nowadays very good career. So we will go to fiverr.com and let's see that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So Fiverr is opening currency. I select the currency USD dollars and here I write web. So as you can see, there are 24,508 services available. This niche is a very big niche, and I think competition is low because uh, there are different uh, fields in web development. So, but the development, some people develop website with the WordPress, which is very easy, but the coding website is very difficult to maintain or create. So you have to learn some skills. So if you learn this skill easily, you can easily charge up to $120 for let's open his gig, Jahangir Khan, and let's see what he's offering. He's a top rated seller. In basic, he charged $120 in only one web page website with design of my own choice, excellent design contact form, 2 days. In standard, oh, he is offering WordPress services. So back, yes, this website. I will be your full stack web developer to develop website. So I open this gig and let's see $35 small showcase portfolio website web developer for one page website with a responsive layout having 4 to 5 sections. Okay. After that, $100 standard website for 3 pages, premium 170, and large website dashboard custom website. He is offering this service in very cheap. Many other people, other freelancers sell this services on very high scale. You can also sell this service on Upwork.com. So let's go towards our websites. So the first website is w3school.com. This is the easiest website and free website to learn web development. So w3school.com. So as you can see, there are many languages you can learn from here. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, PHP, and many more. So when I click on this, you can see. So after that, I click on tutorials, and this is the HTML, CSS tutorials, backend tutorials, web building, and etc. So I want to learn web development, so I click on this web development, and here are the complete front-end roadmap with links, CSS, JavaScript, and after that you can also you can become a front-end developer. After that, you can also become back-end developer, and you can read this page and you can easily uh, become a good web developer with the help of this website. So try this website and good luck. After that, there is a mozilla.org website, and they also offer some courses like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These three languages are for front end, and after that, you can also learn like these courses are used for front end development. So you can front end web developer. You can become front end web developer by using these courses like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So let's move toward next website. This is freecodecamp.org. This is a very amazing website, and let's see. I search here web development. So as you can see, front-end development in-depth project tutorial, JavaScript tips, speed up web development, learn website development from Harvard University. So you can easily uh, choose one of the courses and learn web development. So let's move toward next, Coursera.org. This is a paid website, but some courses are free. So you can go to Coursera.org and right here web development. You can see different courses. I choose one of the courses like full stack web development with Angular specialization and enroll for free. You can enroll in this course for free. So must try this. And after that, last website which is called Code Academy, and this is also a very good website. You can go to catalog and search your web development, and you will move toward this page, and you can learn HTML, or you can become full stack engineer, front end engineer, back end engineer, front end app, build a website, and there are many more courses. So I click any of them like full stack engineer. You have to create the account, and then you can go for it. So guys, this is the video, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also know about these websites where they can learn skills. I will meet you in the next video in which I will talk about another websites which are taught different skills. So stay tuned. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.